looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with my first wig today. So I'm seeing this drawstring bag, which is branded. Before we get into that, I got this little goodie pouch branded My First Wig. Let's see what we got on the inside. I got 2 of these little clips, and I also got a rat tail comb, which is branded My First Wig. These are very handy. So inside today's bag, I got a little pouch. Oh, this is just the invoice with the information of the wig that I'm about to show you guys. So I got this little elastic band branded My First Wig. I got this dark pair of wig caps. Love that. This is the wig that we're working with, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay guys, so this is the wig we're working with, and I'm super excited. It is a gorgeous little silky straight highlighting bob. This bob is also 12 inches long, and this is a medium cap size that I'm working with. So this is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. Now for the most part, it's only the mid portion that's a 13 by 6. On the sides, it does get more less depth. It's definitely not 13 by 6 on the side. It's like a 13 by 2. So I wish that they would upgrade it. So everything is 13 by 6 straight across. But it's looking good. Also, they attach these little bands on the inside which says My First Wig. And there's a total of 3 combs to ensure more security. You can also use these straps, these bands that came on the inside, to just get like a better fit, so you know your wig is more snugged on your head. So I'm just gonna put the 2 together, and then there is adjustable straps in the back which you can also adjust for a better fit. And the color job is very beautiful, very nice on this. It's really pretty, very subtle, not too bold, and the cut is really neat. Nice blunt cut. It did come with a like pre-center part as well, but you could feel free to go ahead and switch up the parting if you wish. There it is, pre-plucked, so that's gorgeous. And this is 160% in density, and I love the way it looks and feels. It's very silky, so I'm very pleased with that. We're gonna do a nice glueless install with this wig today. I'm super excited. I can't wait to go ahead and just jump into it. So let's get to it. I'm gonna also cut off the excess lace here in the back because we don't need that. So I'm gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna just slip this on. I always love getting a very nice, convenient wig, because then I can cater to a lot of my beginners. And I know that there's, even if you're not a beginner, if you don't have all the time in the world to be like doing like a proper glue install with a wig, you want to know that you can still look good without doing all that work. So that's what we're gonna do. So I think it's really nice and snugged so far. The parting does go all the way back here, so I'm gonna fix that. It's a little bit like it's not laying right now, but we're gonna fix this up really nicely. And this wig is perfect for summer. Like the color job, beautiful. So it's a little bit too long at the ear portion, so I'm gonna cut away the excess. So I'm just gonna start cutting away all the extra lace. Take your time, ensure you're seeing the hairline, so get all the hair out the way so you're not cutting off any hair that you don't want to. And that looks pretty good. So you notice hair isn't laying, like usually the ear portion doesn't lay flat. So I most of the time have to go in just with a little bit of spray to have it laying super flat and just not shifting. So that's all I'm gonna do. Take my spray, apply a little bit of that, and I blow dry that until it's sticking. And that's all you need to do.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and run through the entire wig with my flat iron. I'm gonna speed up this portion.
Break a bread with my young Betty Wiz, you was a part of the game. No, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. They know my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave, I've been stuck in my zone. I bet I blast them all.
Guys, you see this wig? It's butter. Oh my gosh, butter. It was so easy to go ahead to like straighten, like the cut, perfection. You see that? And it's a glueless wig. Glueless. Like, look at that. Look at that. It lays so flat too. And as I said, 13 by 6, nice bust down vibe. Yeah, it's giving 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at the movement. You don't need to add anything to this hair. It really doesn't need any extra product. It's like really flawless. Shedding, very minimal. The only parts that I'm receiving shedding from, which is very minimal, is the sides where I cut the extra lace from. Apart from that, everything is looking really good, feels really good. My first wig, y'all did it. This is like the perfect wig for summertime. Yeah, so I highly recommend this bob if you're going for a look like this. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications, so please go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise, stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle.